Hey guys, what's up? Hello Toker's here with another Toker Tries. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I've kind of been experimenting, trying to find my place here on YouTube. But, you know, I like to explore that food. So, today, we're trying, found these at the dollar store, so you might find them at yours. Microwave pork rinds. It comes in a bag like popcorn, but, yeah, so we're gonna give this a shot. So let me pop this and well, I guess I don't pop it, but I'll be right back. Cook, little pork rinds, cook. So, just got them out the microwave, and just grabbed here to ow, shit, it's hot. Get the fuck out of here. So, look at that. Microwaved pork rinds. That is crazy. Oh my god. It's just like the regular bagged pork rinds, but they're warm. And it adds a whole new flavor. Well, not flavor, but yeah, you know what I mean. Pork rinds are used to coming out of a bag, room temperature. Hot like this? Delicious. I'm gonna go eat my pork rinds. Don't forget to subscribe. Laters.